Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have everything they desire, while others struggle to manifest even their basic needs? Let's dive into the enigmatic world of the law of attraction, a universal principle that asserts we bring into our lives whatever we are focusing on. Imagine our minds as potent magnets, capable of pulling in what we concentrate on most. The law of attraction uses this magnetic power of the mind to translate our thoughts, hopes, and dreams into tangible reality. It's a principle as old as time itself, a cosmic law that governs our lives and the universe. Our thoughts are the seeds, and the reality we live in is the garden. What we sow, we shall indeed reap. In essence, all thoughts turn into things eventually. So if you focus on negative doom and gloom, you will remain under that cloud. But if you focus on positive thoughts and have clear goals, you will find a way to achieve them. Now that you know what the law of attraction is, let's delve deeper into how it works. The law of attraction operates on a simple principle, like attracts like. It's a force of the universe that pulls similar energies together. It transcends beyond the physical and into the realm of thoughts, emotions, and personal energy. Imagine your thoughts and feelings as a magnet, pulling towards you experiences that match your emotional and mental state. It's a cosmic law that reflects the old saying, "What you sow, so shall you reap." Here's an example. If you wake up in the morning feeling excited, joyful, and grateful, you are sending out positive energy into the universe. This energy vibrates at a high frequency. Now, the law of attraction, working as your cosmic mailman, matches this high frequency and delivers experiences, situations, and people into your life that resonate with this positivity. So, on a day when you're beaming with joy and gratitude, you might find that your coffee tastes exceptionally good, you receive a compliment from a stranger, or a long-awaited opportunity finally comes your way. All these situations are not random but are a reflection of the energy you're putting out into the universe. However, the law of attraction is impartial. It doesn't distinguish between positive and negative energy. It simply matches like with like. So, if you're feeling sad, anxious, or pessimistic, you are emitting a lower frequency of energy. The law of attraction will respond in kind, attracting more situations that perpetuate these feelings of sadness or anxiety. It's like tuning a radio. If you tune into the frequency of joy, you'll receive joy. If you tune into the frequency of worry, you'll receive more reasons to worry. Thus, the law of attraction encourages you to take control of your thoughts, to influence your reality positively. It's not just about wishful thinking, it's about conscious and deliberate creation. It's about realizing that you are the sculptor of your life, and your mind is the chisel with which you shape your reality. Manifesting your desires is not magic, but it does require some practice and consistency. Here, we'll provide a step-by-step guide to aid you in this process. The first step in any manifestation technique is setting clear intentions. This means being specific about what you want to attract into your life. For example, if you want to attract abundance, specify what kind of abundance you're seeking. Is it financial, emotional, or perhaps creative abundance? The more detailed your intention, the more focused your energy will be, and the more likely you are to manifest your desire. The second step involves visualization. This is the process of creating a vivid mental picture of your desired outcome. Visualize your life as if you've already achieved your intention. See yourself living in that new house, driving that dream car, or enjoying that perfect relationship. The key here is to make your visualization as real and as detailed as possible. The more real it feels, the more powerful your manifesting energy will be. The third step is all about feeling. It's not enough to just visualize your desires, you must also feel as if they have already been fulfilled. This involves feeling the emotions you would experience if your desire were already a reality. Would you feel joy, gratitude, love, or perhaps a sense of accomplishment? Whatever those feelings are, cultivate them now. This step is crucial because it's your emotions that activate the law of attraction. The fourth step is taking inspired action. This means taking steps that align with your intentions and desired outcomes. Inspired action could be anything from learning a new skill, making a phone call, or even changing your daily routine. Remember, while the universe plays a big part in manifestation, you must also do your part by taking actions that move you closer to your desires. The fifth and final step is to maintain a high vibration. This means continually cultivating positive thoughts and emotions. It's normal to have negative thoughts from time to time, but don't dwell on them. Instead, focus on the positive, and quickly bounce back from any negativity. This will keep your vibration high and make you a powerful magnet for your desires. Now, It's important to remember that manifestation is not an overnight process. It requires patience, persistence, and faith. There may be times when you feel like nothing is happening, but remember, the universe is always working behind the scenes to align the right opportunities and circumstances for you. So, keep believing, keep visualizing, and most importantly, keep taking inspired action. Remember, the key to successful manifestation lies in your ability to cultivate a positive mindset and maintain a high vibration. While the law of attraction has the potential to transform your life, it's essential to understand that it's not a quick-fix solution. This is a common misconception floating around. Many perceive the law of attraction as a magic wand that instantly grants all their wishes. However, the law of attraction is not a genie's lamp. One of the most common misconceptions is the belief that merely wishing for something will make it appear magically. We often hear stories of people who created a vision board, looked at it every day, and then sat back waiting for their dreams to materialize. But that's not how the law of attraction works. It's not about sitting back after expressing a desire. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires and maintaining that alignment consistently. Another prevalent misconception is that the law of attraction is all about positive thinking. While maintaining a positive mindset is crucial, it's not the entire story. It's not just about thinking positive thoughts, but also about feeling positive emotions and taking positive actions. It's about embodying the energy of what you desire. Yet another misunderstanding is that the law of attraction is a guaranteed path to success. It's important to remember that the law of attraction is a tool, not a guarantee. It's a guide to aligning yourself with the universe's flow, not a promise of specific outcomes. It's about the journey, not just the destination. Lastly, there's a misconception that the law of attraction means you never have to face challenges or obstacles. This is far from the truth. The law of attraction doesn't eliminate obstacles, it equips you with the mindset and tools to navigate them more effectively. In essence, the law of attraction is a profound philosophy that requires active participation, consistent effort, and a positive mindset. It's a practice of personal growth and self-discovery, a journey towards aligning with the universe's abundant flow. So, the law of attraction is not about instant gratification, but about investing in long-term happiness and fulfillment. Now that we've explored the law of attraction and manifestation techniques, let's summarize the key points. We kicked off our journey by introducing the law of attraction, a universal principle that states like attracts like. This means that the energy you put out into the universe, whether positive or negative, will attract similar energy back to you. It's a principle that is always in motion, operating in our lives whether we're aware of it or not. Next, we delved into understanding how this law works. The law of attraction is not about merely wishing for something and expecting it to appear. It involves three key elements: ask, believe, and receive. You ask the universe for what you want, believe in your heart that you will receive it, and then open yourself to accept it when it comes. It's like placing an order in a restaurant. You ask for what you want, trust that the chef will cook it, and then accept it when it's served to you. We then moved on to a step-by-step guide to manifestation techniques. We highlighted the importance of clarity in defining what you want to manifest. We emphasized the need to visualize your desires, to feel them as if they're already a part of your reality. We underscored the value of gratitude, appreciating what you currently have while inviting more blessings. And finally, we stressed the need for patience, understanding that everything happens in perfect timing. In the fourth scene, we debunked common misconceptions about the law of attraction. It's not a quick fix or a magic trick. You can't just sit back and wait for things to happen. It requires effort, focus, and a positive mindset. Moreover, it's not about selfishly getting what you want at the expense of others. The law of attraction works best when your intentions are aligned with the highest good for all. So, what are the takeaway messages? Firstly, the law of attraction is a powerful principle that can help you create the life you desire. However, it's not a passive process. It requires active participation, a positive mindset, and a genuine belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Secondly, manifestation is not merely about getting what you want. It's about aligning yourself with the energy of the universe, focusing on your desires, and allowing them to manifest in your life. It's about creating a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Lastly, remember that the law of attraction is not about materialism or selfish desires. It's about creating a better life for yourself and others. It's about spreading positivity, love, and abundance throughout the world. Remember, your thoughts are powerful tools that, when used correctly, can help you manifest the life you desire. Harness the law of attraction and see the changes unfold.